Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to the series of videos in which we are showing you how you can use Microsoft Excel and VBA expertise to develop your own dashboard, your own application, which serves multiple users. And it uses the Microsoft Access as a backend database and allows users to send an email to the database, to the dashboard. And the dashboard gets activated as soon as an email comes from a remote user with a predefined subject. So the system takes it as a command, executes that command, and generates a dashboard report and sends it back to the requesting user. And since we have developed it as a standalone application on a server, and while the users are multiple, means users are using this application. So our next step is to move forward so that this application is hosted to a cloud server. Some paid service on cloud can be achieved, can be hired from Google maybe, right? And there we make it available for the users so that the users across the world can use it, right? So let's start. The foremost thing is that we start our Outlook. Let me take you to the Outlook. This is our Outlook application, which has in this Outlook application we have configured some rules and some folders we have created that each time an request will come, it will be automatically moved to a folder. So this is the folder on which the item will be moved, and once it is moved, the job of Outlook is done. Now the VBA will take charge. VBA will be watching this folder if there is any new item on which action is required. So let's start our VBA as well. So what we do here, this is our VBA folder, and in this we have all these right? So let's take the latest one, that is I think 507 was the last one, or 506, whatever it is. Let's see. Yeah, 507 was the last one, right? So we open this file. So this is automated VBA automated file. As soon as it's open, it will start working. And it will start working silently. Means all it is doing is that it is watching. If there is any new user request coming, then it will start taking action on the user request. How it is doing? Let me show you the code. As you can see here in this, we have a view code option in the sheet. This takes us to the code, right? In the code, we have the codes. Some codes are on the basis of the chain. Some codes are on the basis of workbook open, for example. Yeah, as soon as the workbook is open, the drop downs in the sheets are corrected. Right. So, and if you go to the list of the macros, you see this is the auto open. This is the procedure which takes you to scheduling. This has already been performed. Means the system is auto scheduling. It's watch of the Outlook folder. It's watching, right? Each time it is watching, it is setting a next schedule for the next watch, right? And also, if I take you here, this is the procedure which we have configured that to check if it is working, right? If I put a breakpoint, it will become yellow, yeah, automatically. That means the system is already working and it is doing its job. What it is doing, it is watching. It is watching if there is any item in the Outlook folder, then it will take action on the command, right? Okay. Now we have put a breakpoint in here. So we remove this breakpoint so that the system is doing its job already. Okay. The next thing we do, we go to the Chrome and we go to the other Gmail address in which we are going. Okay, so sometimes it asks you to verify. You say, okay, it is not giving me the option to skip anyway, so I have to verify. So this is also the thing. That is all. So I put the password here, what I have. That is okay. Say next. Okay, sometimes you get such a uh, tools means such a prompt in which you are supposed to uh, verify, because that is all very good security purposes. So I'm going to get to my mobile so that I say yes there on the screen so that uh, we go through from this stage. This is very important stage. One should not feel it bad, because this is for the safety of your own account. If it is hacked or if it is, so it keeps you informed that you have some information. This is very important information. So my I have to open it again. Let me open Gmail. Okay, I'm now opening it here. So we can redo it so that it is sent it again to you. Right? So, so, mm, so now I have got this yes to click on my setup. So what I'm going to do is I'm clicking yes, that it's me. So it verifies that you you are the original person. No, any other malware is doing the job for you. So this is making your activity risk-free. So it's a good activity. You should. So you are signed in. That's good. So next is we get back here and we go to the Gmail. The next thing we do is that we go to the sent mail. In the sent mail, we have these are the templates which we have of the command. These are the templates of the commands which we have been using. So let's send a request for backlog clearance for a certain date. Okay, so we use this command to be done, and for this we do reply. We go to the edit subject, and in here we remove the extra thing, because this is a command of our this is a predefined format of the command. So this command will go to the out to the dashboard, and you will see that in the Outlook you will find it will be directly the incoming will be directly automatically moved to here. So that is what is required on the part of Outlook. So the next thing is the system, our dashboard system will start working in here. It has automatically taken the command and actioned it, and now it is composing the reply to the sending user that your request has been actioned. So this all done unattended means no need of any manual uh, involvement of any user. All you need to make sure is that your cloud uh, is running your server is running, and your application is serving to the users across the world using the email system, right? They do not need to have any uh, setup of Excel on their cell. They do not need any Microsoft Access installation. They do not need any Outlook configuration, etc. All they need to have is the email address of the dashboard and the knowledge of how to send the command. What is the predefined requirement for a subject for a outgoing email having a subject that would be treated by the dashboard as a command. Right. So the command has been taken, and as of 31st of October, 5 days clearance has been done. So if you send it again, that thing again, then it will move it to the next show. It will take you to the next. For example, you say this, and here you go to the edit subject. You remove this, and you pass on another command. Example like this, right? And you're sending it to the Outlook. You will see this will it will be actioned by the Outlook. Once the action is done by Excel, it will remove this. So make this item blank, this folder blank. So 31st October will soon become the 1st of November, because the next day 5 clearance is the 1st of November. Right. So this is an application which we have tested. It is working for multiple users. As you can see, there are multiple users using it, right? So all we need to do is to make it available, or 24/7. It means all the time. So for this, we will check the Chat GPT to see what Chat GPT advises to have uh, uh, cloud service, and what is the cheapest, what is the cost-effective solution for this application, so that we have the cloud access on Google Cloud or any other cloud, right? And we serve this application for all our users around the world. They can create the new users, they can do so many things and get the dashboard report directly on their email addresses, right? So this we will do, inshallah, in our upcoming video, and we will see that how the Chat GPT advises us that how to get this service cost-effective way to get it mounted onto the cloud and have the users use it free of charge, or means effectively, and utilize this functionality. Okay. Here, viewers, that this is from ChatGPT. When I asked ChatGPT about the advice of the development which we are doing, so they have given me a very great guideline. So the guideline is telling you that Microsoft does not recommend or support using Office, Excel, Outlook for automated server-side processing. Office was designed as a client product. Running Excel Outlook as an unattended service on a server is fragile and can fail under load, and has licensing complications too. If you want a stable 24/7 service, you should either run a proper remote desktop, VDI environment with interactive session, or modernize the architecture to use cloud APIs services. Thank you very much for watching.